All right, I'm the Flat Rate Master, and today we're talking about staying in the loop when it comes to J2534 programming. Now, what do I mean by that? If you're in this business doing reflashes, programming, you gotta stay up to date with a lot of the issues that are happening in the industry. You know, GM just changed a bunch of their stuff about J boxes and whether they work or not, and you know, at one point you couldn't do a flash unless you had an MDI, the OEM J box. Now I think it's been fixed, so I think you can use any J box again, but that's one of the things that was happening. So let's say you pull in a car to do a reflash or replace a component, and you go to reflash and it won't recognize your J box. That's a problem. You've got so long to use that subscription and you don't have a MDI. Or you've got a customer coming in to do their reflash and you go to do it and the site's down. Or the site's been down for 3 days to the aftermarket. Or you update your IDS. If you've got an OEM scan tool and all of a sudden a whole bunch of stuff doesn't work. It happens a lot more than you think. Right now, BMW ISTA is having a bunch of problems with F-cars. The current update that they haven't updated in like a month, they're having a bunch of different problems with, and there's a bunch of issues that if you're not in the loop, it's easy to, you pull that BMW and you go to reflash it and all of a sudden, boom, you got a crash, you've got a car that doesn't run, it could be bad. So how do you stay in the know? Well, there's several Facebook groups, and I'll try to find them and link them in the description, as well as diag.network, current, where you can find out about outages and all that kind of stuff. Because nothing sucks worse than bringing a car in and not being able to fix it because, somebody changed something on the other end of the line. The other thing to worry about is, compatibility. You've got a problem. If you don't have a authorized J box for that manufacturer, you may call them and go, I got this problem. And it might be something they can easily solve. You don't have the current Java, you don't have the right JavaScript or whatever, but they find out you're not using the authorized JBox, they'll tell you to pound sand. So something to keep in mind in the day of reflashes. So thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.